Want to buy a t-shirt but your English disappears? Let me show you how to ask everything. Color, size, price, and more.
English by Miko.
Hello,
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to buy a t-shirt.
Great. What color do you like?
Blue or white?
What size do you wear?
Medium. I like loose t-shirts.
Do you prefer cotton or polyester?
Cotton, please.
This blue cotton t-shirt is size medium. Would you like to try it?
Yes. Where is the fitting room?
Over there.
A few minutes later.
It's good, but the sleeves are short. Do you have long sleeve?
Yes. Here is a white long-sleeve cotton t-shirt.
Is it easy to wash?
Yes, machine wash at 30 degrees Celsius.
How much is it?
$20.
Is there any discount?
Yes, 10% off today.
That's great. Do you have black in this style?
Yes. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
A few minutes later.
Size is small. Do you have large?
Yes, here.
This is perfect. I take it.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here's your t-shirt and receipt.
Can I return it?
Yes, within 7 days.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.